My name is Ryder Morales, and today this is what the neighborhoods look like when it's raining.
It looks normal. What do you mean?
Okay. It kind of looks normal, but it has rain. It has rain over the floor.
So it rained.
Yeah. I don't know what the title of this video gonna be, but
Would you have to come up with the title before?
I think yeah.
This is what happens when it rains.
Yes. I think yeah.
That's a perfect title. This is what happens when it rains. It looks completely normal.
Yeah. Oh, the T-pose.
Relax.
Yeah, the T-pose doesn't count.
This hoodie's big.
Yeah, it's big. The hoodie's big. That's why I thought you were Johnson.
You mean Willow?
Yeah.
Jeez. Why would you think? But why would I be Willow?
There's her house. Willow's house. Okay, can you stop T-posing?
I wasn't even T-posing.
Yes, you were.
I saw a little squirrel eating a cucumber, I think.
Bruh.
Over there. It was adorable.
Yeah. So that's how I wanted to show you.
So that's it?
Yeah, I was bored. So I had to make a video outside.
No, you don't. I do have to look. It's on my dad's sweater. What? Ow, my ankle cracked.
Bruh.
Oh, I see. I saw LG on the phone thing, whatever
What?
this is.
Wait, what?
LG right there.
Oh, yeah.
And it reminded me of LGBTQ.
That poop.